So in this one, we're going to write an equation of a parallel line. So we want it to pass through this point and be parallel to this line. Well, remember, if we're having a line that's parallel to it, they have to have the same slope. So my slope has to be equal to 6, and this is my point that they give us. So we're going to use point-slope form, because that's what we have. And so this is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And so in order to have this, this is my x1, y1, and I just plug in my pieces. So y minus a negative 3, which is a plus 3. My slope is 6, and my x is a 2. So I need to create this in slope-intercept form, so I've got to just manipulate a little bit more algebraically. Y plus 3 is equal to 6x minus 12. Subtract 3 from both sides, and I get y is equal to 6x minus 15.